Are you aware of the effects that indoor air pollution has on the health of you and your family? This is especially frightening, considering that the average American spends nearly 90% of their time indoors. On the average, 1 out of 4 people suffer from allergies, asthma, and other respiratory issues caused by harmful bacteria in your home, as well as dust mites, mildew, and especially pet dander. Not to mention mold that may build up in your air ducts. Every minute you spend in your home, you are exposed to these harmful contaminants that are constantly attacking your immune system. Thankfully, Energy Improvements now offers a solution. A team of microbiologists from Israel spent 8 years developing a unique strand of probiotics that eliminates harmful bacteria in your home. This is done by our exclusive Clean Air system that uses a patented microburst technology that distributes trillions of beneficial probiotics into your air ducts to rid your home of harmful bacteria. For more information, contact us today.